your dating pool was extremely small.
The days of running into somebody and sparking a thing, I think, are gone or leaving quickly. A big part of that is from the availability of online. So I knew I could take all of my experience in voice recognition and take all these techniques of human matchmaking that were so amazing and combine them together to reproduce the experience of a matchmaking service.
In other words, Kevin decides to build an AI personality designed to help humans find love.
But online is kind of a total lottery. It's like, how do you pick between 100 choices?
Kevin Tiemann is a software developer.
The problem with dating apps is you just put some basic info, your height and your age and blah, 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 and then you write this profile where you have to talk about yourself, kind of like you would for a job interview or something. The second thing is the photos. You have to figure out what kind of photos are sellable. They're anything but natural.
After years without success, Kevin abandons online dating to try a completely different approach.
I joined human matchmaking right about in my early 30s. Human matchmaking is like a whole different world. So it was absolutely wonderful. It was the closest I've ever been to finding my true partner. The problem is matchmaking can get very expensive. This is why a lot of people aren't getting to experience it, and they're stuck in the dating app cycle.
With many animals, the biggest, the baddest male fights to get access to females. And so the females don't have much of a choice. Humans are different, and that is we have a choice because we have a large brain. We can see the future, a future where maybe this person is the best, but no, maybe that person is the best. That's what humans do. We simulate and daydream the future all the time. And you can now have artificial intelligence systems to help you find the person that is the ideal match for you.
This is the goal software developer Kevin Tiemann had in mind when he created AIM, the artificially intelligent matchmaker.
AIM is an AI personality that talks to you over time to get to know you, just like a matchmaker would.
What are you looking for?
A lifelong partner. It'll ask you open-ended questions as well.
Describe a few of your favorite things about yourself.
And with voice recognition, AIM understands what you're saying.
Yes.
As the user interacts with it, the AI analyzes keywords and behaviors to make assessments about the person's personality.
So if you ask questions about something random, like, do you like to play in the park a lot? And they answer, oh yeah, I play in the park a lot at these country clubs that I go to. It will adjust their financial status a little bit. They might have money, or they might be into money a lot more. If you start using the app every morning, it'll say, hey, are you a morning person? And notice you use the app in the morning. It's basically looking at your overall behavior, and it's deriving conclusions on your personality based on your answers and also the way you answer.
The app also records photos and audio answers to later share with potential matches. After approximately 1 week of gathering data to build the user's personality profile, the AI begins generating potential matches.
His name is Andrew. He is in his 30s. Tall. He is a dog person. Let's check him out. When I asked him, think about the best place to start an amazing new life with someone, he chose the same answer as you.
So it points out similarities. And then after that, it goes into personality.
I want to walk you through some of his answers to help give you a glimpse into his mind.
My favorite things about myself are my love of exploration, to travel.
And then it'll say, would you like to go and have a phone call with this person?
Shall we go forward?
Yes.
Fantastic. I will reach out to him and let him know.
Like an actual human matchmaker, the app helps set up a date, then coaches each person through the process of communicating with their match.
Keep it light and have fun. I think you two will get along great.
If you have a facilitator, you have a much better chance of succeeding if you both really like each other. And then once they make the first phone call,
How was your chemistry with him?
it'll measure multiple things. Once it figures out what both people think, it needs to have an agreement between both people like a matchmaker would need to want to proceed.
If I don't talk to you before your date, good luck and have fun.
If either person chooses to end the relationship, the AI also handles that uncomfortable task.
AIM will turn around to the other person and deliver that information, but the goal isn't to deliver the information, it's to get the person on track with somebody else.
Hey, I have unfortunate news. Michelle was not interested. That said, I have already prepared other prospects for you to check out.
The rejection is soothed by the approach into the next potential partner.
Its matchmaking algorithm is designed to become better and more accurate, to the point that Kevin believes it will eventually transform the dating world.
What you can do with machine learning is you teach the computer which matches worked and which ones didn't. And so with a lot of data, you'll get the AI already predicting it'll probably work.